India, as per the deadline set by the central government, will be arrested, prosecuted and also may face a jail term of up to 3 years or a fine of a maximum of rupees 3 lakh rupees or even both. And the Leave India notice to Pakistani nationals was issued by the government after 26 people, mostly tourists, were killed by Pak-linked terrorists in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir on April 22nd. So far, 537 Pakistani nationals have left via Atari in the 4 days as the first deadline ends. Riyanka is also live with us this morning. Riyanka, tell us about the deadline extension. What is the reason for the deadline to be extended? And so far, what we understand is that over 530 Pakistanis have left the nation via the Atari border.
Well, Deepak, we know that there is already the process of exit of Pakistanis holding several different, categories of visas is already underway. And over 500 Pakistani nationals have already left from the, Atari border in the previous days, as we have seen. But there is a clarification that has in fact been made at this point in time. To be precise, there is no particular extension that has been given for the Pakistani nationals to leave the country. It is for the fact that all the Pakistani nationals who have come to India for a medical visa, they will be, they have been asked to leave by the 29th of April, which is tomorrow. That is when the medical visas expire. Other than that, the other visas, the SAARC visas, the SVES visas have already expired, and the Pakistani nationals who were under those particular visa categories have left subsequently on the 26th and the 27th of April. You know, there was a time bound of 48 hours for the Pakistani nationals holding the SAARC visas and SVES visas to leave. And on the 26th of April, we saw several of the Pakistani nationals moving out of the country via Wagah-Atari border. In fact, there were, remember, Home Minister Amit Shah has had held a meeting with the chief ministers of all the states in order to identify, the Pakistani nationals and issue them state-wise notices for them to leave the country in 48 hours. So that process has already been done. Only the Pakistani nationals having medical visas have time till tomorrow, that is 29th of April, to leave our country. And this is, of course, coming in following the dastardly attack that we saw in Kashmir, Pahalgam, wherein 26 tourists, Indian tourists, mainly Hindus, were killed. And this was a very stringent move made by the center at this point in time that we had in fact seen. On the other hand, we've also understood for the fact that the Pakistani nationals who failed to leave the country within the deadline that has been set, they will be charged with either 3 years imprisonment or nearly 3 lakh rupees fine, or either both. That is something that needs to be decided, but clear guidelines being given by the center and the states equally working under the center's direction in order for the equal exit and a smooth exit of the Pakistani nationals from our country.
Right, Riyanka, thank you for joining me with those details. Let's now move on.